Welcome to Kalpana, where your dream adventure begins. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of aerospace engineering. Imagine designing the planes that carry us across continents or the rockets that take us to the stars. That's the magic of aerospace engineering, a dynamic field where science fiction meets reality. But wait, what's the difference between aerospace and aeronautical engineering? Let's break it down. Aerospace engineering is like a grand umbrella that covers both aeronautical and astronautical engineering. Aeronautical engineering focuses on things that fly within our atmosphere, think commercial planes, fighter jets, and helicopters. On the flip side, astronautical engineering takes us beyond Earth's boundaries, dealing with rockets, satellites, and space stations, basically anything that orbits or explores outer space. So, aeronautical engineering is all about the sky, while astronautical engineering is about the stars. Together, they form the incredible field of aerospace engineering. Aerospace engineers are the masterminds behind some of the coolest technologies on the planet and beyond. They might design cutting-edge commercial aircraft, develop advanced propulsion systems, or create innovative satellite technology. And speaking of cool tech, as a BSc Aerospace Engineering student, I'm currently working on a VTOL drone project. These vertical takeoff and landing drones are revolutionizing urban air mobility, think flying taxis and emergency response units. Studying aerospace engineering is like embarking on an epic journey. You'll explore subjects like aerodynamics, propulsion, avionics, materials science, and structural analysis. It's challenging, yes, but oh so rewarding. Graduates of this field can land amazing careers in industries like aviation, defense, space exploration, and even automotive engineering. Whether you become a design engineer, systems engineer, test engineer, or research scientist, the sky literally is the limit. Aerospace engineering isn't just about mastering technical skills, it's about unleashing creativity, solving complex problems, and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. If you're passionate about flight, space, and innovation, this field might just be your perfect fit. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Kalpana. See you in the next adventure.